Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2012 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Chevrolet infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, and much more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.